Welcome to my channel, ketomealsandrecipes.com. Today I would like to share a delicious, super easy, and relatively quick dessert, my version of a carnivore waffle cheesecake. In this video I'm going to show you both the Lion carnivore cheesecake and a high-protein keto version. And that's because I want you to choose whichever version suits your lifestyle best. By the way, if you want more carnivore recipes, please check out the end cards where I have also selected other carnivore recipes you might enjoy. But before continuing, I would like to introduce you to our furry granddaughter, Zoe. We're babysitting her because my darling daughter and her new husband are on their honeymoon. Okay, let's get started. Each of the 4 servings of my carnivore waffle cheesecake has a macronutrient ratio of 3.2 to 1. With 19.2 grams of protein, 4.9 grams of total carbs, and net carbs because there's no fiber, since this is a Lion carnivore version. To make this tasty carnivore cheesecake, you will need to make my carnivore waffles. If you haven't seen my video before, the link for the waffles and this recipe are both in the description box, so please check them out there. I know that it sounds like I'm tooting my own horn, but these waffles are absolutely delicious. They taste almost like regular waffles, but with no carbs, and they have a high protein count. One of the reasons I wanted to make this waffle cheesecake is because there's no baking involved, and the total time to make the entire recipe is between 15 and 20 minutes. For this waffle cheesecake dessert, you will need 2 full waffle discs. One little hint I'd like to suggest is when you're making these waffles, just make sure that the waffles are light golden and slightly crispy. You want them to be a little bit firm. When the waffles are done, transfer them to a plate and let the waffles cool to room temperature. In the meanwhile, you have time to prepare the carnivore cheesecake layer. It only takes literally 5 minutes. Begin by pouring your heavy whipping cream into a mixing bowl. And depending on how strictly you want to follow a Lion carnivore, here you may have a few options. I like to add vanilla and a little bit of powdered sweetener. What else you're doing, you do need to add the gelatin powder. Then whip to a light stiff stage. At this point, drop in your ricotta cheese and whip to a stiff peak stage. This will come together very, very quickly. For this cheesecake, I prefer to use ricotta cheese over cottage cheese or cream cheese because the ricotta is naturally sweet and the ricotta will create a sweeter taste to your cheesecake even if you don't use sweetener. Okay, the hard part is done. Now it's time to assemble. Place one of the waffle discs onto a serving platter. Scoop out and transfer the cheesecake mixture and place it on top of this waffle. Using a knife or offset spatula, spread the cheesecake evenly over and within the disc perimeter. As I mentioned, since some of us are following a less strict carnivore diet, more of a ketovore or high-protein keto diet, here's the macronutrient chart for the ketovore waffle cheesecake with the fresh strawberries. Theoretically, you could use frozen strawberries, but I prefer to use fresh strawberries, which I cut into nice thick sections like this. When I finish cutting all my strawberries, for the ketovore version, I place the fresh sliced strawberries over the surface of the cheesecake layer. The next step is to place the second waffle disc on top of the cheesecake layer. To make it easier to cut the sections and to serve it, make sure you align the 2 waffle layers so the partitions between each of the sections match exactly. Lastly, if desired, it's totally up to you, dust the surface with powdered sweetener. And that's all there is to making this amazing, super easy, absolutely delicious carnivore waffle cheesecake. You can serve it right away, but for best results, place the waffle cheesecake in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. This will allow the cheesecake to set properly. One last suggestion. If you prefer, you can use other berries such as raspberries, blueberries, or blackberries. That's up to you. You can customize the cheesecake whichever way you want. I hope that you will try and enjoy this really delicious, quick and easy dessert. Please let me know what you think of this recipe. Regardless of what kind of diet you are, you really don't have to limit yourself to just a few repetitive recipes. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch my video. It really means a lot to me. If you have a moment, please leave me a comment and let me know how you are doing on the carnivore or keto diet. I love reading your comments and replying. Until next time, I hope you have a happy and healthy day. Cheers!